In this video, I'm taking a look at this solar LED security light. Alright, so we're taking a look at this security light. It's going to require about 8 hours of sunlight ideally to give it a full charge, and it could last all the way through the night, 12 hours, but that really depends on if you go with always on or what kind of motion detection is occurring. So if you have this thing triggering constantly, of course, there's a potential it could run out sooner if you have it on the brightest setting. So you can see that there is LED panels on both sides. There's also a strip here, and then we have our sensors and we have our button. So other than that, you have a joint here and a joint here, so you can make different adjustments, and you can also make adjustments with the sort of the wings, and then you have the solar panels on the back. The box that it comes in, nothing too special. They do supply 4 anchors, like drywall type anchors, and 4 screws, so you can mount this, and they have a user manual. So let me give you real quick information on the button in the way that it's described here. It's 180 LED, cool white, and it has sensing, always bright, sensing plus weak light, and off. I think I'll go with the sensing and the weak light so that it lights throughout the night, and I suppose, you know, a light that turns on unexpectedly might deter, you know, someone who's not supposed to be in the area. But yeah, it does say, of course, it's water resistant and is a 2200 milliamp battery. Should be 6 to 14 feet for the installation height. Press the switch once to provide you with high brightness in the dark. Turn on full brightness when motion is sensed. Press it twice, it's always on. On at night, no matter the movement. Press the button 3 times. Light for people coming is low and the light for people leaving is off. It's kind of a weird way to say it. Press the button 4 times, the light stops working, so that's off. I'm going to keep it at a lower mode because that's the mode I choose, but you can see it's actually quite bright and kind of dim, and that's probably the setting I'm going to go with, is this and then off. So it gives you a real quick overview. If you want to find out more, there'll be a link below the video. You can check out further detail, but I'm going to get this installed real quickly and just kind of give you a brief idea of what it looks like when it's triggered, okay? So that's it. Check out the link below for more. Thanks for watching. Alright, so it's not totally dark out here, but it is dark enough. Hopefully you can actually see the light right there. So I've got it on the 3rd setting, so it's kind of dim. And if I walk over with the sensor, it will recognize me. I'm right under it now. Alright, so there it is, bright. So you can see it illuminates this area really, really well, which is basically all I'm trying to do. So if someone were to walk up this hill from either direction, you know, coming this way or this way, and they were to come, you know, up near this post, which is in the center. I got some plastic on the ground right here. So that's in the center, so you can see there and there. So if they were to walk in that area right there, or anywhere close to the proximity, that light will be that bright. Stays on like that for, I think it's about 45 seconds or a minute or so. Then it goes back to the dimly lit you know, light that you saw prior to me walking over. That gives you an idea of what it looks like, maybe, you know, what you can expect from this type of a light with that particular setting. You saw how bright it gets. You could have it on the brightest setting if you wanted to, but it's going to kill the battery faster. And you know, it is overcast sometimes. I don't always get that full 8 hours of sunlight to recharge. So this is what we're going to go with for right now. Anyway, I hope that gives you an idea of what to expect. Again, check out the link below. Thanks for watching.